We spotted this Cooper's hawk by our chicken coop, which is a little worrisome because we have some young chickens in there. They're a medium-sized hawk with the rounded wings and the rounded tail. You can find these from southern Canada to Mexico. They're also called a chicken hawk or a quail hawk because they like to eat small birds. This one has yellow eyes, and so you can tell that it's a younger hawk. This one was very unafraid of me approaching it. I got pretty close to it and it didn't fly away. So they're not afraid to come close by your chickens or your other small birds on your property. They were named after William Cooper. They like to eat small animals. They will also eat small mammals and lizards. But on a farm, you need to kind of keep an eye out for them because they will prey upon any small birds that you have on your farm.